Okay, we're going to play a dice multiplication game. So we'll just start off with the one dice, and what we're doing is we're having multiples of either 2, 5 or 10. You don't need the cards, but I'm just going to use those to help me remember what I'm doing. So I'm going to make multiples of 2, and when I roll my dice, so I'm doing 2 lots of 5, which is 10. Next one, let me just go 2 lots of 4 is 8, so basically 2's are doubles. 2 lots of 1, or that's 2, and whoa, 2 lots of 4, again that's 8, and 2 lots of 3 is 6. Okay, we could do the same thing with 5s, so we'll just do 5 lots of 2 is 10, 5 lots of 2, well, I like that one, 10, 5 lots of 1 is 5, 5 lots of 3 is 15, and the same thing we could do lots of 10. So 2 lots of 10 is 20, 2 lots of 10 is 20, oh, what have we got? 6 lots of 10 is 60. Okay, now to sort of crank things up a bit, what we could do is throw 2 dice, add them, and then multiply it by 10. So that would be for sort of experts. So I go 1 and 5 makes 6, and 6 times 10 is 60. Alright, or you could even do 6 times 5 is 30 and 6 times 2 is 12. You could do all 3 of them if you really, really wanted to. Let's just stick with the 10s. One more here. Ooh, tricky. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is its own. 5 plus 6 is 11, and 11 times 10 or 10 lots of 11 is 110. So it can get quite tricky there. And play it with a mate and have races sort of thing. That's a nice little dice multiplication game.